Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Okay, so for the dollar yen, I think we will see some more downside from here. It is the only dollar pair that trades, well, not the only, but very few dollar pairs actually trade against another safe haven asset. And the yen is a safe haven asset. So let's see what we think will happen for the dollar yen. I think more downside to come, but downside fairly limited. I think we'll see some consolidation around this level. And it will start to trade sideways between 112.8 to maybe 113.8, around this range. The Fed's stance next week will determine the next course of action from here. So if you're not already in the short, you can wait for a pullback and take a quick scalp down to 112.8. That would be my play for the dollar yen, but I do think there are better plays.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.